Dimensions confirmed down to the micron. The volume for the Ka-60 nacelles and mounts is verified. We are ready for cutting.
This density variation in the red zone is close to the threshold.
It still meets the Kasatka specifications for homogeneity. The structure is sound.
This precise robotic drill extracts a minute sample from the titanium alloy. The sample is then
The Kasatka components are splitting correctly.
Verified on the manifest, the flow metrics look good.
Check the data on screen 2. No imperfections affecting the engine housing.
Looks good. Structural conformance verified.
The laser scan confirms the dimensions.
Verified against the CAD model.
Process A is complete, signing off now.
This specialized robotic sprayer applies a thin, uniform primer layer onto the titanium composite engine nacelle.
Maintain pressure, steady approach.
Roger that, pressure stable.
We are aligned with the mounts.
Using handheld laser scanners, we verify the exact dimensional accuracy of the Ka-60's engine pylons, ensuring a perfect fit for the turboshaft engine.
Bay 42, systems check complete.
Protective barriers secured, integration zone is sterile.
Roger that. Engine lift confirmed for 0900.
The integration bay is cleared and sterilized. Process B integration may proceed. Maintain strict adherence to cleanliness protocols.
The alignment is perfect. We are locked in.
Confirmed. Ready for integration.
All parameters are within tolerance. The titanium composite structure is sound.
Confirmed. Process A is complete. Please sign here. Vacuum pressure is stable.
UV intensity is optimal. Curing sequence engaged.
Check the dampening efficiency on Sector 3.
Readings look nominal. Ready to initiate the cycle.
Go ahead.
The process demands absolute precision. Once verified, the mounts are purged with inert gas before...
Alignment looks good. Check the laser tracking.
Confirmed. Micron accuracy achieved. Proceed with bolt insertion.
Keep it steady on your side.
Copy that. Moving left slowly.
Harnesses secured on mount 1 and 2.
Confirmed. Crane engaging. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
The overhead gantry crane carefully maneuvers the turboshaft engine, preparing for insertion into the Ka-60.
Status update on the harnesses, Priya.
All green on my side, Commander.
Very good. Prepare for system initiation. No signs of stress or fluid leakage on the isolation mounts. The readings match the pre-installation photos exactly.
Confirmed. We are good for sign-off.
Final checks complete. Advanced vibration isolation mounts integrated successfully.
Affirmed. Applying digital fuel signature for process B.
The Kasatka's final coat is applied, ensuring a flawless, anti-glare finish critical for operational success.
All pre-delivery checks complete. Fuel and weatherproofing confirmed.
Verified against the manifest. She's ready for transport.
As you can see in the maintenance logs, the specialized dampening system significantly reduces airframe fatigue.
Excellent. We are satisfied with the inspection.
Pre-flight checks complete. Clear to spool up.
Roger that.
For this reason, the stability was remarkable. The reduced vibration really cut down on fatigue, improving the control precision.
This is where the advanced isolation mounts are located. It gives us a real advantage in terms of stability.
It certainly seems superior to the current models.
A final testament to the successful integration of the advanced engine and isolation mounts, confirming ultimate performance and reliability.